Welcome to this week's videos and material. This video is really a walk and a talk through code which I'm going to supply you, which you have to adapt and create a front end for, and also your own decision map. In order for you to complete those tasks for your assessment, you need to understand how the code works and how it fits together. That's what this series of videos is about. So we start right at the beginning. And right at the beginning, I have this nice little map, which has starts here at the top. It's all about asking your boss for a raise. It's a bit comic, and it's actually a real book out there. It's called The Art of Asking Your Boss for a Raise by Georges Perec, a French writer in the 60s. It was turned into a computer program which generated the text of the book. Anyway, so let's look at it. You come in here, you have a node here, a decision to be made. Is Mr. X in his office? Let's say he is. You then go to this node, you knock on the door, does he look up? Now notice that those two actions have no decision, but they do become separate nodes. You'll see some of them are separated out, some of them aren't. Does he look up? You say yes, affirmatively. So you come down to here, you enter. Does he ask you to be seated? Let's say yes, you relax. You explain the problem. Is it a T60 issue? You say yes, go to the relevant office, go from office to office. That's actually a dead-end loop in this, and it's quite comical how it just gets stuck. Right. Let's start again. You go to see Mr. X. He's in his office. You knock on the door. Does he look up? Yes. Affirmatively. Let's say no. Are you told to come back at 2:30? You say yes. You go back to your desk. Is today Friday? Yes. You find out cafeteria lunch menu. Was fish on? Yes, it was. Did he swallow a bone? A little bit unclear what that means. Yes. Wait until tomorrow, then it loops. Notice, watch this arrow go back, think hard, firmly decide, and you restart the whole loop again. So here we have a very, very simple two-dimensional branching map. And every significant decision is a node, is to be considered a node. So that's the thing we're going to work with. What you have to do is decide what you want to have as a decision map. In the other lectures, you will find discussions about the various different ways you can approach it. If you look at the lecture notes, you will see all the various suggestions of what you can do. You can turn this into troubleshooting. You can turn it into a game of your own, a text-based game, for example. You can have a diagnostic tool. You can create a decision support tool. There's a whole range of different things you can do, but the starting point is for you to create a map. Okay,